Ross and Friends Minis. The engines are looking forward to seeing what you can create. Ready, set, build! Here you will find bridges, tunnels, obstacles and lots of other fun things. The green shelf is where the basic tracks are stored. This is the engine shelf. Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger.
Alright, sure.
In the orange shelf, you'll find all sorts of buildings, trees and other decorations.
Yes, I do. With of congratulations.
You're a most useful engineer.
Yes, of course or not. Yes.
To remove an item from the map, drop it in the grey area at the bottom of the screen.
Sure. Why not?
Construction Thomas.
Oops. You go again.
Construction Thomas.
God damn it, stop that!
There are no more engines on the track. You can pick a new one from the blue shelf.
Skeleton Thomas. Hero Thomas, stop that!
Construction Thomas.
Hey, can you...
There are no more engines on the track.
Are you serious? It's definitely not.
Construction Thomas.
Damn it.
Construction Thomas.
But hey!
Construction Thomas.
Okay. That's it. You've already said that they have you. You're the revenge.
Construction Thomas.
How to be Thomas? No. That's it. You forgot about it.
Just drag a block over the grid with your finger and let it go. Spooky Thomas.
This character is spooky. Oh wait.
There are no more engines on the track.